Hello and welcome to OneSub video tutorials. My name is Rima. I am a part of support team here at OneSub. So in today's video, we'll see how you can customize a booking form. So before getting into that, let's discuss what is the need of customizing a booking form. So let's say you are an investment planner and you would like your clients to answer few questions before the meeting, like how many investments they have, what investments they have, and maybe how long have they been investing for, so etc. So that you have an idea beforehand what you need to discuss with the client. So let's get started with the steps. First, you would need to sign in to the OneSub account, and then on the left hand side, go to the booking pages. It will take you to your scheduling setup page. Now you would need to hover over to the icons on the left and go to Booking Forms Editor. This is from where you customize your booking form. So this is the one which is there by default. We'll create a new booking form and then customize it. So I'm going to name it Initial Investment Meeting, since we are taking an example of investment planner. And now this is the form that we will be customizing. So some of these are the predefined fields. You can remove them or modify them as per your preference. So to modify it, let's say I want to change the subject. So I click this little pen icon right next to it and I'll change subject to what would you like to discuss? And save it. So you'll see this has been updated. Now here on the right hand side, there are some of the predefined fields. Some are system fields and the other are under custom fields. So let's say you want to use an existing field. So let's say you want to know where your client is contacting from, basically the country. So you can click this blue arrow icon here and it will insert the field in the form and then you can save it. We can also customize a form. You can click on add custom field to the library. First is field type. It can be a single line, multi-line, drop-down, or checkbox. So let's say I'm going to add a question which will say how long have you been investing for, and I'm going to give you options for that. So I'll choose a checkbox at the as the field type. Field's name will be, let's say, investment experience. This is only for the internal account purpose. It's not visible to the customers. Field title is only visible to the customers. So it will be how long have you been investing for. Option 1 is less than a year. One to 3 years. 3 to 5 years. And last, let's say more than 5 years. And save. Once saved, it's going to appear under custom fields. So this is the one we created, investment experience, and we'll save this by inserting. This is here and save. Now this is how you customize a form. Next step is to apply it on your booking pages. So for that, we'll go back to the overview section. Now, before applying, there are two scenarios. One is if you're using booking pages with event types, and second, if you're using it without event types. So, if you're using your booking pages with event types, in that case, you would open that particular event type that you're using and go to booking form and redirect and select the booking form that you customized from the drop down and save. If you're using booking pages without event types, they will directly open the booking page. And the same option of booking form and redirect will be here as well. Click on it. We'll select the form from the drop down and save. So this is how you customize a booking form and apply it on your booking pages. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.